Presenting OnePlus 8 Pro 5G with 48 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera. You have 3 color options to choose from: Onyx Black, Glacial Green and Ultramarine Blue. You can also choose from 2 memory variants as 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage and 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. Both the SIM slots support nano SIMs with 5G connections on dual standby. 6.78-inch 120Hz fluid display with 3168 by 1440 pixels resolution and 513 ppi density let you have an immersive experience. This smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor. The 48 megapixel rear camera is capable of shooting 4K or Ultra HD videos at 30 or 60 fps. OnePlus 8 5G Pro is powered by Oxygen operating system, which is based on Android version 10 with 2.86 GHz of clock speed with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 powered by Kryo 585 CPU octa-core processor and Adreno 650. The 4510 mAh lithium-ion battery provides you with longer talk time. The box includes Warp charger, 30T power adapter, Warp Type-C cable which supports USB 2.0, quick start guide, welcome letter, safety information and warranty card, logo sticker, case, pre-applied screen protector and SIM tray ejector. The OnePlus 8 5G Pro smartphone comes with 1-year manufacturer warranty on the device and 6 months manufacturer warranty on the in-box accessories including the batteries. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.